Hello students, I am Sunny sir from Mohadi English School. This video is for class 2, subject Science. Let us read the thought for today. You never fail until you stop trying, written by Albert Einstein. So when the people fail, that means they have stopped trying. If they don't stop trying, if they keep on working hard, if they never give up, then they will never fail. So you should keep on trying, and one day you will find the solution to all the problems. But do not give up. Do not say that I cannot. Always say that I can. Now, instructions that I want to give you all, some general instructions that I give you in every video so that you do not forget that instructions. Number 1, wash your hands every day, especially before you eat something, and whenever you go out and you come back, you have to wash your hands. Number 2, regularly wear your mask whenever you go outside. Wherever you go, see that you wear your mask. Do not go outside without wearing a mask. You have to cover your mouth and your nose. Number 3, do not eat junk food. Avoid eating the outside food, right? Eat the food which is cooked at home. That is the best food for us. Number 4, keep your surroundings neat and clean. Maintain cleanliness, because cleanliness is next to godliness. You have to keep your surroundings neat and clean. Obey your parents, do as they say. The content of our video is lesson number 8, things around us, that we have been studying. We will continue the revision explanation with the notes. Today, what are we going to study? We are going to study the notes of the lesson, the exercises that you have written in the fair book, that we will revise today, because we understood the lesson in the previous video, and we will solve some very interesting worksheet that I have brought. So first let us begin with notes. And even before that, I will give you the recap of the previous video, what we have done. So, we had studied in the previous video, we had read the lesson from the textbook, lesson number 8, things around us. In that we had studied about natural things. Some things are there like air, water, plants, animals, rock and soil. These are natural things, while some things are there which are made from natural things. Cotton, silk, wool, rayon, these things help us to make our clothes. Then we had studied about man-made things, that some things are there like books, table, then toys and clocks. These are all man-made things. Then also we had seen the exercise. Air is natural, insects are natural, spoon is man-made, clock is man-made, and sand is natural. Then we had seen the difference between living and non-living things. See, some things are there like birds, plants, animals and humans are living. They breathe, they eat food, they grow, all these are living. While some things are there like rock, water, air, clock, these are all non-living things. They do not eat food, they do not grow. So these are non-living things. Then we had also seen some examples like bird. Bird is living thing as well as natural. But some things like rock. Rock means the stones like this or big mountains. These are non-living things, but they are natural things. Same way this clock. Clock is non-living thing, but it is man-made. So non-living things can be of two types, natural or man-made. Then we had seen different types of materials in the previous video. Wood, used for making table, chair and pencil. Rubber is used for making balloons, tires, gloves and erasers. Metals are used for making cars, machines, ornaments. And plastic is used for making bottles, bucket, comb, all that things. Now, today we shall continue with the notes, means the exercises of the lesson. Now, I want you to write this exercise one time along with the video. So number 1, fill in the blanks. The first exercise that we shall solve today is fill in the blanks. In the exam like this, you will be given two options. You have to identify the correct option reading the blank. So number 1, all living things are dash. All the living things are natural. They are not man-made. Living things means all the birds, animals, human beings, all of us. We are natural. We are not man-made. So the answer over here is natural. See, it is written in yellow color. That is the answer. All the living things are natural things. Number 2, dash things can be either natural or man-made. Now, natural and man-made, two types are there. Two types of what? Two types of non-living things. Non-living things can be of two types. Non-living things can be natural also and man-made also. Like we had seen the example, rock means the stone. It is non-living but it is natural. Then we had seen clock. Clock is non-living but it is man-made. So non-living things can be natural or man-made. Number 3, dash are used to make objects like ornaments, machine. See, we have just seen over here. This is the object which is used for making ornaments, machine, car. What is that object called? It is called metal. 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 It is used for making the things like ornaments and machines. Number 4, dash is used to make objects such as bottles and buckets. What is used for making bottles and buckets? See, this is the thing which we had seen. This is used for making bottles and buckets. It is plastic. So here the answer is plastic. Rubber, plastic, two options are given. The answer is plastic. Plastic is used for making bottles and buckets. Number 5, cotton, silk and wool are dash materials. Cotton, silk and wool, are they natural or man-made? These are natural materials. Cotton, silk and wool are natural materials. Cotton, silk and wool we get naturally, and with this natural materials we make our clothes. So these were the 5 fill in the blanks of this lesson. Number 8. I expect you that you have written all the answers also. Then exercise which we have, give 2 examples exercise. Give 2 example. You will leave one line and write this exercise. And see that you don't miss a single answer. Write all the questions as well as the answers along with it. Number 1. Natural and living things. Which are natural and living things? Natural also and they are living also. So birds and plants. Birds, they have life, they are natural, they are living. Plants. Plants grow on their own. They also need food, they need sunlight, air, water. These are natural and living things. Number 2, natural but non-living. The things which are natural but they are not alive, they are not living. Which are that things? Rocks means the stones which you see. That rocks and water, the water which we drink. These are non-living things but they are naturally obtained. We cannot make these things. Man-made things, we have made, man has made those things. That things are called man-made things. Which are they? Bag and clock. Bag which you wear, which you put, you carry the bag to the school, you put your books in it. Clock in which you see the time, whether it is 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, the time. So bag and clock, that are man-made. Man has made these things. So these things are called man-made things. Things made of wood. Which things we can make with the help of wood? We can make tables and chairs. You know what is wood? We had seen over here. This is wood. And what can we make with this? We can make tables and chair with wood. Then next, things which are made of rubber. What can we make with the help of rubber? So, the two things are given, tire and balloon. Tires of the vehicles like car, bike, bicycle. Tires are there, wheels and balloons. So, tires and balloons are made with rubber. So, these are the 5. Give 2 examples questions which are important for your exam, and so we revised it today. Natural things and natural and living things, birds and plants, natural but non-living, rocks and water, which are the 2 man-made things, bags and clothes, things which we can make with wood, table and chair, things we can make with rubber, tire and balloon. Then let's see the next exercise. Name the following exercise. 4 questions are given. You have to name the following. Read the sentence and name the following. What is asked? Whatever is asked, you have to name that thing. Reading the question. Let's see number 1. Number 1. Things found in nature. Natural things. The things which are around us, that things can be natural or man-made. But the things which are found in nature that are not made by man, that things are called natural things. Number 2. Things made by man not found in nature. The things which are made by men, human beings, that are not found in nature, that things are called man-made things. Human beings have made, man has made those things, so that things are called man-made things. Number 3. Natural things that grow and multiply on their own. See, there are some things which are natural, they grow and they multiply on their own. They increase in size, they breathe, they need water, food. That things are called living things. Number 4. Things that do not have life in them. The things that are lifeless, that cannot move on their own, that things are called non-living things. So 4, name the following we have done. Natural things are the things that are found in nature. Man-made things are the things that are made by man. Living things grow and multiply on their own. Non-living things, they don't have life, they do not grow on their own, they don't move on their own. Next exercise. Choose the correct option. We have MCQ exercise. Choose the correct option. Let us solve that exercise. That is the third exercise that we are solving. Let's do it. Exercise 4 actually, because we have solved fill in the blanks, give 2 examples and name the following. So this is exercise D, number 4 exercise. Here you will write only the answer along with the question, not all the 4 options, right? So number 1 is, which of these is not true about non-living things? Which is a false statement about non-living things? So first of all, you should know what are non-living things. Non-living things are the things that do not have life in them. They are natural, they are all natural, they are all man-made, they can reproduce, or all of these. So all of these are not true, because non-living things, they are not natural. All the non-living things are not natural. All the non-living things are not man-made, and all the non-living things, they cannot reproduce. So all these 3 are false. All these 3 are wrong statements. So all of these, option D, is the correct one. About non-living things, all these 3 statements are wrong. Number 2. What would you call things that do not have life in them? So, as I just said, that things are called non-living things. The things which do not have life in them. Like, you can say table, chair, books. These things are non-living things. They don't have life. They don't move on their own. So, they are non-living things. Next. Number 3. Which of these can living things do? Living things means all of us and all other living things like birds, animals. What can we all do? They grow, they breathe, they reproduce, or all of these. So the correct answer is all of these. Because all the living things, they can grow, they can breathe, and they can reproduce also. So all these three are the qualities of living things: grow, breathe, and reproduce. All these three are the qualities of living things. Number 4. Which of these materials would you use to make table and pencil? What can we use for making the table and pencil? As we have seen different materials like wood, rubber, metal, and plastic. 4 are already given. So what can we use for making table and pencil? We can use wood, which we get from the trees. Wood is used for making table and pencil. That was number 4. Then number 5, choose the correct option. Number 5, which of the things can be made using metal? Like as I said, as I had shown you the images, what can we make with the help of metals? Utensils and jewelry, eraser and gloves, bag and jacket, or rope and comb. We can make utensils and jewelry. We can also make car using metals. So option A is the correct option. Utensils and jewelry we can make with the help of metal. What else we can make? We can make cars and machines with the help of metals. Number 6. Which of these is made of plastic? What can you make with plastic? You can make bottle. You cannot make bulb or wall or carpet with plastic. We can make the things like bottles, buckets, mugs, and combs. So bottles, plastic bottles you might have seen, which we use for drinking water. So buckets and bottles, all these things are made of plastic. So option C is the correct option. So we completed the 4th exercise. Choose the correct option. Now moving ahead to the next exercise, let us solve the next exercise now. So, lesson 8, things around us. As you know that we are solving the exercises of lesson 8, things around us. And we have already solved the 4 exercises. Now, there were some difficult words in the chapter which we came across. So let us have a look at those difficult words. And I want you all to write those difficult words one time along with the video. Hard words. Give the heading of hard words and write number 1 below the margin. Number 1, Natural. 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 Please write along with me. Number 2, Man-made. 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 Number 3, Living. 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 Number 4, Non-living. 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 Number 5, Wood. 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 Number 6, Rubber. rubber, rubber, rubber. Number 7, metal, 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 metal. Number 8, plastic, 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 plastic. Number 9, nature, 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 nature. Number 10, materials, 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 materials. So these were the 10 difficult words that we learnt in the lesson, and I expect you have written all the 10 words one time along with me. Second, now we have the new exercise, true or false. Read the statement and decide whether it can be true or false and write the answers accordingly. So this exercise is also important because these are the objectives which are asked in the exam. So learn it and write it one time. Number 1, living things do not have life in them. Is it true? The living things, are they lifeless? No, it is false, because living things are the things that grow and they multiply and they have life in them. So it is false. They do not have life. It is wrong. Living things, they have life. But here it is written, they do not have life. So it is false. Number 2, all the living things are natural things. True. See, the living things are there. All the living things like birds, animals, plants, human beings, all these are living things and they are natural, right? So it is true. All the living things are natural things. It is true. Number 3, man-made things are made by men. Yes, it is true again. Man-made things are the things which are made by men. They are not found naturally. Like clock, vehicles, all these are man-made things which are made by men, are not found naturally. So it is true. Number 4, rubber is used to make balloons. True. The materials which we have learnt, in that we had seen, second one, rubber, that is used for making balloon, tire, gloves, erasers. So rubber is used for making balloons. And you like to play with balloons, right? That balloons are made with rubber. It is true. Number 5, metals are used to make erasers. Is it? No, it is false. Eraser is made with the help of rubber, not metal. So that is false. Because metal is the material which is used for making cars and machines and ornaments and utensils, but metals are not used for making erasers. Erasers are made with rubber. So this is false. These were the 5 true or false that we have solved. Next, write one word. Give one word for the following. So leave a line and give the new heading, one word. Give one word exercise. Number 1, the material which is used to make chairs. With which material can you make chair? You can make chair with wood. The material which is used for making balloons. Which material is used for making balloons? We just saw previously in the previous slide. Rubber. Rubber is used for making balloons. Number 3, material used for making ornaments. That ornaments are there, that old jewelry, right? The necklace, the ring, all that ornaments are used and especially worn by the ladies. That ornaments are made with metal. Then, number 4, the material which is used for making bottles. We use bottles for drinking water, for bottles for storing liquid. That bottles are made with plastic. Many bottles are made with plastic. Number 5. The material which is used for making ropes, that thread, big rope, very strong rope is used. That ropes are also made with plastic. Bottles are also made with plastic. So bottles and ropes, these things are made with plastic. These were the 5. Give one example, give one word questions and answers. Then question answers, let us solve the question answers and complete today's lecture. What are man-made things? The things made by humans are called man-made things. The things which are made by humans are called man-made things, like clock, pencil, eraser. These things are man-made because man has made those things. What are non-living things? The things that do not have life in them are called non-living things. The things which are lifeless, things which do not have life in them are called non-living things. I just gave the examples. Clock, table, chair are all non-living things. Even the stones, river, all these are non-living. Number 3. Name any 2 features of living things. Any 2 features of living things which we have learnt. Living things, they eat food and they breathe. Like we breathe in, we breathe out. So that is called breathing. And eating food, we need food every day. So these are the 2 features of living things. They eat food, they breathe. Number 4. Name any 3 materials used to make things. Any 3 materials we have to give the name which are used for making different things. Wood, rubber, plastic. Wood used for making objects like table, chair. Rubber used for making objects like tire, eraser. Plastic is used for making buckets, bottles, all that things. These are the 3 materials. Which are the 2 types of things around us? Finally, in the lesson we have studied the 2 types of things around us. Which are the 2 types of things we see around us every day? That things around us are either natural or man-made. We see 2 types of things around us, either natural or man-made. Some things that we see every day, non-living things, that can be natural or man-made. And we also see the living things around us like plants, animals and other human beings that are all natural. So here we complete the lesson along with the notes, revision, and I expect you that you will revise this lesson for your exam and you will write all the notes, all the exercises one time in your rough book. Take care all of you. Keep watching the videos and do not forget doing the homework every day. Thank you all of you. Have a nice day.